This video will demonstrate the uncrating and installation of the unit. Be sure crate is delivered upright, not lying down on a side. A 1/2 inch 9/16 inch wrench is provided to remove the machine from the pallet. A drill or impact wrench can also be used with sockets if available. Locate the wooden ramp provided in the crate and attach to pallet. The ramp only attaches to the front of the pallet by inserting the pegs of the ramp into the edge of the pallet. Slowly roll machine off pallet down ramp while someone guides and supports the front, and carefully move the unit into the store location. Check for a wall to the right of the install location. The top door needs 3 inches of clearance on the right to open. The door will need to be positioned 3 inches in front of side wall or have 3 inches of clearance to the right. Flooring needs to be level and capable of supporting approximately 780 pounds. Location air temperature needs to be between 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Machine needs to be located away from heat generating equipment and direct sun. Open door with key provided and remove left panel. Check plumbing connections are secure. With upper front door open, remove the right side panel to gain access to the electronic controls and internal connections. Verify plugs and cables are connected before you power up the machine, and nothing looks out of place, paying particular attention to the SRB, auxiliary, and mixer board communication cables. Open drain setup uses 1.5 inch PVC to a 3 inch or 4 inch open coupling 20 inches off the floor. The drain basin on the back of the machine can be lifted up and set into the open coupling when the unit is pushed into place at the store. Flexible drain setup connects to the 1.5 inch NPS drain basin, which normally would run into a floor drain. It requires enough drain line for a service loop so that the unit can be moved without disconnecting the drain. All drain setups must have a 1.5 inch drop per 5 feet of run and must not create traps. Ensure that the potable water meets quality requirements. Not meeting the requirements will void the original equipment warranty. Note: water conditions vary per location, so a quality analysis is required. Available cold water supply must be capable of sustaining 35 psi under flowing conditions. Water pressure must not exceed 80 psi to the machine. Minimum/maximum water supply temperature range is within 40 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees to 32 degrees Celsius. Locate the 3/8 inch barbed quick connect fitting located in the bag shipped on the back of the unit. A 3/8 inch ID braided water line will need to be connected to the source with an accessible shutoff valve. Push quick connect fitting into the back of the machine and check the plumbing on the left side of the machine for any leaks. Important: do not use the cleaning hose to make this connection. This hose is also located in the bag on the back of the machine. If this hose is cut or damaged, you will not be able to clean the machine. Plug unit into wall outlet. This needs to be a non-GFI outlet that accepts a NEMA 520 plug with a dedicated 20 amp breaker. Do not use an extension cord. Power on the machine with the toggle switch located on the upper right of the machine. As machine starts up, verify water pressure under flowing conditions and adjust as needed to achieve 35 psi while the water is dispensing. A 15-minute delay will occur before machine starts making ice. Allow 20 extra minutes of ice making before making drinks or calibrating ice. Finally, replace both left and right panel. Close upper front door and lock with key. Once the machine has been registered, product loaded, and weekly cleaning has been performed, the FreshBlender is ready to use.